Hopefully the sun's not in everybody's eyes. I'm on my way to Everett's, Kentucky. I'm going to pick up some razor seats. Going to put them in the Massimo, however you say that, 500. Got the roll cage for it. It's been about 2 weeks ago, I guess. We're going to do a video on it. Got to cut some tabs off of it and weld some tabs on for seat belts and whatnot. I'll try to put a video up of fixing that and installing it. And from what I've been measuring, everything looks like it's going to bolt up. It came off of a 700 Rhino, I think a 2011 model. We'll see what that does. But like I said, from the measurements, it looks like it's going to fit. A couple guys tell us, no, it's not. You're going to have to do some cutting, welding. It'd be fine with me. Got to start somewhere. I got it a lot cheaper had I paid someone to build it for me, so that's a plus. But anyway, I'll be back with you when we get there, get the seats.
Turn left, then turn left.
Well, here's the seats I went and picked up that were in Everett's, Kentucky. I didn't get to finish the video. I did make some video of the drive a little bit. But the guy, he was in a big hurry to get in and everything, so I didn't do any video in there. But here they are a couple of days later. I'm going to fabricate the bases out of aluminum sheet. Saw that on a group. Hopefully it'll work. And that cage there, I got to do some fabricating for seat belts. More to come. Hopefully this is be a good build. I'm gonna build it for my son. My wife and I were going to buy us a new one this summer, so we'll see what happens.